Well, it's one of those mornings where you can't help but feel good. Even if you're looking a bit rough in the morning, these sorts of days make you feel great. We've got wattle blossom, we've got blue sky, a clear mountain, and a bit of warmth in the air. Oh, springtime in Tassie, you can't beat it. Right, so we're over here where we're going to plough and put potatoes in. I've got to decide where I'm going to do. So what we might do is give this a crack here, a little bit here, and then during the week we might have a bit of a crack down there. So let's see how we go with it. So it's a bit rough, but I wanted to dig it fairly deep. And we're on the side of a hill, and I really should have done it the other way, but it was too wet to do it. We've got some more done down there, and we've got some more done down at the back of the tractor there. Well, I'm rather surprised at the amount of potatoes that are coming up here at the moment. We just go over them and pull the dirt up over them for the next couple of weeks until we can get the tractor down and start mounding them up, just in case there's a late frost. But okay, so what can I spy here? Look at this. First potato coming through for the season. Here's an even more advanced one. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, I think that'll about do us for today. We'll go back home, have a Milo, a couple of biscuits, gather our thoughts together, see what else we can get up to.